Tired of dealing with dry, brittle hair that breaks at the slightest touch? Imagine turning that fragile hair into something stronger, softer, and visibly healthier with just one treatment. Prime's Hair for Max Repair promises exactly that, preparing your hair for a deep, lasting repair that you can see and feel. Here's the real story. This treatment isn't just another quick fix. It's a professional-inspired system designed to rebuild hair bonds and protect your hair's natural integrity. When paired with No.3 Hair Perfector, it delivers 68% more repair and makes your hair 3 times stronger in just one use. That's not marketing fluff. That's science-backed performance you can trust. What sets this apart is its patented bond-building technology. Unlike other products that only mask damage, this system works at the core, repairing extreme damage and transforming your hair's texture. Users across the U.S. rave about how it turns their dry, brittle strands into soft, shiny, and resilient hair. Yes, it's an investment, but the results? Worth every penny. If you're ready to give your hair the care it truly deserves, this two-step system is worth a look. Start with Prime's Hair for Max Repair to prep your hair, then follow with No.3 Hair Perfector to lock in strength and shine. The combination works to rebuild and protect your hair from the inside out. Don't settle for products that only offer temporary shine or surface-level fixes. Choose the original bond builder that's proven to repair and strengthen damaged hair effectively. Try it when you're ready to see real change. Stronger, healthier hair is just one treatment away.